all up in here, back in the back. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We got so many Amazon packages. It's the first item that I want to review and I want to unbox. It's actually a weighted heating pad. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Get into it, get into it, get into it. Yes. Let's open it. Let's open it. Comes like this. It's a little heavy. It's really weighted. We finna test this out. The neck and shoulder heat. I needed this. I needed this. We got it plugged up. We got it out the pack. It looks like this. It goes over your shoulders and your neck, like a collar, basically like my robe is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tuck my robe collar in. And let's put this on. So what we're gonna do is, this part is for the neck. So I'll take this. And I do got on clothes. I just got on a dress in this. Okay, we got it right. So we got it like this, on the neck like that, like a little mink, whatever. You see the little thing back there? So let's turn it on and see. Let's see what happens. This has a 30-minute, a 60, a 90, and 120 minutes setting, and it has, right now it's on setting 3. It has 6 settings. Let's see what setting 3 do. Homegirl, back up. Anyways, so yeah, I'll be back with you guys. I gotta let it heat up, so just stay tuned. It has a little snip here, so you can snap it here, and it'll stay around your neck. But I'll be back in like 30. I don't even know how long it takes to get warm up. It's a little warm now, but I'll be back in like, it says 30 minutes. So I'll be back in 30 minutes and see what happens. Yeah. Listen, I had to take my robe off. Y'all, this heating pad is bomb, okay? All up in here, back in the back. I be looking down all the time. I had to take my robe from underneath here to really feel it. But when I took this robe from underneath here and I felt it, y'all go get y'all one. Go get y'all one. Where the box at? I can't even find the box. Y'all need to go get y'all one. Baby, look at it. I had a headache. My headache gone. All my back and everything, it feels so good. I've been sitting here asleep. I'm hot, but I ain't hurting. Go get y'all one. I recommend 10 out of 10. I 10 out of 10 recommend. Go get y'all one. Go get y'all one of these. Go get y'all some. The link will be down below, so go click that link. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment any questions if you need it. I'm out.